Hello, this is Old Man Tony here again. Hope you're all well. Been a funny old day today, quite a bit of rain about, but it seems to have dried up now. So at 6 o'clock in the evening I'm out for a little ride. It's 21.5 degrees Celsius. So that makes it just over 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So not too bad. I think the clouds are clearing up, although there's still some dark clouds about. But I'm sure we'll survive if it rains. Last time I looked, I didn't melt when I got in water, so I think I'll be fine. Well, after last week's controversial subject, I think I'll keep it safe this week. But it was interesting to get quite a bit of debate going in the comments. So if you've got any comments, don't forget, it's down below where you make your comments. So this week, I just want to talk a bit about the print media. And in particular, the motorcycle related print media. Because I was thinking the other day, I can't remember the last time I read a bike magazine. There was one time, not too long ago, that I had a couple of monthly subscriptions to different bike magazines. I used to call in the news agents or somewhere else selling newspapers and buy the motorcycle news every week, and I used to read everything from cover to cover. And then I think it was last year I realised that one of the magazines that I subscribed to, I hadn't read them. I've been putting them on my bedside shelf ready to read, and then I realised I'd got 6 still in their polythene packaging, unopened, completely untouched. So I thought, right, I better cancel that subscription. I'm obviously not reading the bike magazines anymore. What changed? Well, it was online really. Yep. So online had taken over my magazine reading, and that was a combination of YouTube and websites. So I think there's still a few bike magazines available in the UK, and including the weekly newspaper, the Motorcycle News. But I bet their circulation figures haven't half dropped. Now the reason I said the reason I don't read the magazines and newspapers anymore is that I tend to be using online resources. So a combination of YouTube, websites like Bennett's Bike Social. So Bennett's are a motorcycle insurance broker over here in the UK, specialise in motorcycle insurance, and they have quite a comprehensive website with bike tests, general information and all sorts on bikes. So with a combination of that and the YouTube that I watch, including from some of the bike magazines who make the occasional YouTube video as well, I've really stopped reading the magazines. So what about where you live and your personal habits? Are you still buying magazines and newspapers of the motorcycle sort? Have you resorted to, like me, to other forms of media? I don't know how long motorcycle media have got left, but I'm guessing if they don't change and move to something else soon, they won't last much longer. So let me know in the comments down below what you do. Are you still reading magazines? Are you relying on online media? Do you like to see bike tests done by amateurs, people who've got YouTube channels? Or do you still prefer the more experienced professional journalists to do the testing and report back to you? Or is it just, if you're interested in new bikes, do you go out and try lots yourself before you decide on what you want? I'll just be interested to know, so let me know down below. So if you've made it this far through all the gabble, thank you very much. I'm going to carry on with my ride now. So, thanks again. This has been Old Man Tony. Goodbye!